All right, today I have a Volkswagen Tiguan, and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake on this particular vehicle. All right, but before we get started, if you find my video helpful at all, can you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Thanks a lot. All right, so let's get started with this, okay? So I am sitting in the vehicle, all right, behind the steering wheel. I am the driver. I am the king of the vehicle, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure my vehicle's in park. My vehicle's in park. I keep it in park. All right. And then I press on the brake, all right, with my foot. And then I'm going to go towards the center of the vehicle. And you see this right here? This is the for parking brake right here. All right. So I'm going to take my finger, raise it up, and the parking brake engages. An indicator that it is engaged is that it says park on the instrument panel. Do you see that right there? It says park. The parking brake is engaged. Now to disengage it or to turn it off, I am going to do the same thing. Foot on brake. I'm in park. Come right here and I'm going to press this down and hold it down, and the parking light goes off. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.